Si Inday naman, alam mo, si Inday lang, ito lang ang masabi ko sa inyo ha, sa lahat. Among the few sa gobyerno, it was only Inday who was very outspoken against the communists noon. Siya lang yung bububuga ng against the communists even when she was a mayor here.
Chair, I do not understand bakit a person convicted of child abuse is still sitting in a seat
Point
of the House of Representatives. You allowed her a snide comment and then you will not allow me? This is a hearing of the budget of 2025. Nasaan dito ang confidential funds? Yung tanong niya,